Chapter number 1, Real Numbers, Exercise 1.1 and question number 1, third part. So the third part is the same. Use Euclid divisions algorithm to find the HCF of this time 867 and 255. So we do the same method. We divide the bigger number. What was the bigger number? 867. So we divide the number 867 by 225. And we see that 225 times 3 is 675. When we subtract them, we'll be getting 192. Okay, so 192 is the remainder. Now the previous divisor will become the dividend. 225 divided by 192. 192 times 192. And the remainder that we have is 33. So we divide again the previous divisor 192 by 33, the remainder. 33 times 5 is 165 and our remainder is 27. So this is going on and on and on. And the remainder 27 will now divide the previous divisor, which is 33, and 27 times 1 is 27. We have the remainder 6. So this is going on and on and on. Let's see where it will stop. So the previous divisor was 27 and we'll divide the 27 now by 6 only. So 6 times 4 is 24 and again we have some remainder. The remainder is 3. So let's just divide over here. Let's do it over here. So the number 6 we are going to divide now. The number 6 we divide by the remainder 3. So 6 divided by 3 times, let us not do it over here. Why not do it to the right? Okay, so let us do it over here. So the number 6 will divide by 3 and 3 times 2 is 6. The remainder is 0. So see, the remainder is 0. And what was the previous divisor? The previous divisor was 3. So our HCF of these two numbers 255 and 867 is the number 3. Let's just try to write all this process in the form of the lines that we were writing already. So let's just start. So what was the previous number? Previous number was 867. The initial number we have divided 867 by 225. So 867 would be equal to 225, and by which number we have divided? How many times? 3 times. So the quotient was 3. So 255 times 3 plus our remainder 192. The remainder was 192. Let me use a different color for the second one. So as we were noting in the previous two examples, that the previous divisor will become my dividend every time. So 225. And my previous remainder will become generally the divisor. So 192, as we can see it over also here, 225 becomes dividend and 192 becomes my divisor. How many times? 192 times 1 and the remainder is 33. So 192 times 1 plus 33. This was the second step. Okay, third step, let's use the white color. So the third step, 192 becomes the dividend. 192 times 33. 192 is equal to 33 into 5 plus 27. So the previous divisor was 192. So 192 becomes my dividend and the remainder becomes my divisor 33. How many times? 5 times plus 27. So 33 times 5 plus 27. And we are not stopping up over here. We are going on and on and on. So the next number is 33. So 33 becomes my dividend and the remainder 27 becomes my quotient, the divisor. 27 times 1 plus 6. Let's see it over here. 27 times 1 plus 6. Now 27 becomes my dividend divided by 6. 6 into 4 plus 3. So 27 will become my dividend and the remainder 6. 6 multiplied by 4, 24 and plus 3. What about the next? The number 6, the previous quotient will become my divisor, 6, and the remainder 3 multiplied by 2, and at the last we have the remainder 0. So we saw when the remainder is 0, the previous remainder, okay, or the number 3 over here, this 3 or the previous remainder is my HCF. So this 3 is my HCF of 867 and 225. That means it is the highest, it is that highest number which can divide both of them. It is that highest number which can divide 867 as well as 225.